Caring for your dog. A dog is part of your family. Adding a new dog to your family takes time and special care. Choosing a new dog is lots of fun. Choose a dog that fits in with your family. Does your family spend lots of active time outdoors? Does your family stay at home or like to travel? Your family should know all of the things your dog needs. Every dog needs a place to run and play. Your dog needs to be fed twice a day. Your dog needs water all day long. Walking is important for your dog's healthy. Your dog needs to be walked twice a day. Your dog needs to play with you. Can give your dog treats if he or she is good. Your dog needs to be brushed and washed. Your dog needs a warm place to sleep. Most of all, your dog needs a family and lots of love.